So what I've simply got here is the PA VB unloader systems. A lot of different ranges in the marketplace for the on the VB range. You've got your VB7, VB9, VB9 with switch. You've got the VB10 there, compensating unloader. Sometimes what you've simply got there is you've got a pressure washer. It might be an automatic stop-start with a switch on at the bottom here, and your machine keeps stopping and starting, stopping and starting. You've no leak on the gun, but the machine itself keeps stopped up, jip jip, jip jip, all the time. You can't find a leak between the unloader and the actual trigger itself. What's simply happening is it's dropping in pressure because the gun, the actual non-return valve in the system. So what we'll simply do is just take some of these in bits and show you what we're talking about. And it's the bullet that's worn inside the unloader. The unloader might be perfectly okay, producing the pressure it's meant to be producing, but when you let go of that trigger, the machine keeps surging. So what I'll simply do is take some of these in bits and just show you. So what you'll see now is you've got this system in all the unloaders at the end on the outlet side. What simply happens is this is spring loaded. You've got a spring inside here, and it pushes again. So when you let go of your trigger, it pushes back against the unloader itself. It traps the pressure within the system. That head could be worn sometimes. Just check that before you just replace the bullet, but most of the time it can be just the o-ring and the bullet itself that has got worn. Like I say, inside there you've got your spring and you've got your bullet, and all that's simply happening is you're letting go of the trigger and the system itself is slowly weeping out of the system, and it's going jib 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 jib, and it's just a case of replacing this bullet, not the full lot. It'll save you buying a full unloader. These items, obviously they are available and we have them in stock all the time. So if that machine is yours on automatic stop start, that's electric, stopping and starting, jip jip, or not shutting down, more times than not, that's all that the fault is. Thank you much. Q Services, Qwashers.